Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to get this Xbox Game Pass mod app. And in this app, you can actually generate free Xbox Game Pass coupon. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the app because you'll see if you go and look for it, it is obviously not on the App Store. So the website we're going to visit is called hexmods.com. So just come over to this website. You're going to see a ton of different modded apps, but I just want you to type Xbox. And then we're going for this one, Xbox Game Pass. So just press on it, press the download button, and it will start downloading. So before it downloads, guys, you may see something come up that asks you to download some missing files. I just want to tell you guys that's totally normal, and I'm going to show you guys how to bypass it. So basically, it's going to load up right here, as you can see, and it's going to say, please install 2 apps. Missing files, So there's a video to watch if you're confused, but basically just get 2 of these apps, like this Merge Gardens, reach level 9. You just press on it, brings you to the App Store, you reach level 9, you're good. There's also Evertale, which is down and run for 30 seconds, blah, blah, blah. So there's the app, guys, Xbox Game Pass. You just open it up and then press Show Coupon Code, and it will generate you a code. You can also see how many people have currently used it, which is pretty sick. So I will see you later, but yeah, so there's all these apps. I don't know what you're going to see, but these are the ones they have for me, so I'll see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super insane, guys, and you can see it says you get hundreds of games, online multiplayer for Game Pass, and you get non-Game Pass games. You also get discounts on games, so that's cool. So I don't really need any of this, I just want the Xbox Game Pass itself. But yeah, so this is super cool, guys. So just go over to HexMods, and then if you see this missing files thing, just go ahead and complete it. So I'll see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm gonna see you in another video, and peace out.